Alright, had some time with these to do what I needed to do. First off, we have new lower bushings. Bought these from Lexus. They kinda still have these in stock. I'll be providing part numbers for everything that I'm showing below. I now have new boots. The boots have the spring insulators built into them. This, of course, is a Tokiko Alumina 5-way adjustable strut. And we know this because right here, here's the adjustment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-way adjustable. 1 through 3 is a street mode. 4 is street track, and 5 is track mode. So the stiffest is 5, and 1 is the softest. And you just turn it with a screwdriver. It's currently on 1. I'm going to set it to 3. Because when these go in, it's going to be set to 3. We have a TRD strut. TRD springs. Front springs are 6.5K spring rate, which will lower about an inch. The strut mounts up top are also TRD. That's for the front of the car. Just give me a second. And I just did that for the both fronts. The rears are in terrific shape, so there was nothing really to change. The rear bottom mounts are fine. Once again, 5-way adjustable as well. This one is on 3. The spring is 6K. And supposed to lower just under an inch. It was like maximum for the front is 35mm, maximum for the rear is 30mm. So that's these. I could not pass these up too good of a price. We have one other little tidbit here. The last piece from all my bracing has come in. This is a TOMS rear strut tower brace that I got for an exquisite deal as well. The whole set. Rebuilding the fronts wasn't that hard. Just collapse the spring, pull off the nut. The great thing is if you mark where you're doing it, this top hat could only go on 2 ways. It's actually notched. The screw coming out is also notched. So you can only put it in 2 ways. So just line up your marks. I used a piece of tape. Just brought it down, cut, and there we go. Guess what? These might be going in soon. Depending on the weather. This is A for Hachi signing off.